kong Barbie. And so yun guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay we're doing a Q&A challenge because it is December 31. December 31, mamayang gabi, New Year, gano'n. So yun. Question. Diba question? So yun, bubunot lang tayo ng 15 question. First question. Our first question is, how can I identify LGBT? For me, LGBT community is a community who was welcome LGBT, like LGBT is tomboy, bisexual, gay, mga ganun guys, transgender. But the for me LGBT is life goes around with LGBT community. Thank you. Next question. Legendary. For me, legendary is like a legend that would be able to show her capability as a legendary. Thank you. My third question is this. Who is my role model? For me, my role model is my parents because my parents should guide me and allow me to understand and learn more from my mistakes. Thank you. Fourth question is virus. For me, virus is so rampant nowadays because coronavirus is so very affect we Filipinos to affect on this coronavirus. Best friend. Para sa akin, best friend ay sila yung matatakbuhan mo sa buhay pag down ka na, because always remember this: best friend is equal to happiness and love. Pang ilan na to? Love. For me, love is so unique in this society because we can't live in the society without love. Because without love, we are Filipinos so very emotional. Thank you. Ika-8 na question, guys. Peaceful. Para sa akin, peaceful is a peace in united Filipino country, because the Philippines should peaceful nowadays because of this pandemic or this society so